Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert. So in this video, this is a good opportunity from Cipla new manufacturing work integrated learning program. Along with work, you also learn. So the career progression, the course they are providing is BSc Pharmaceutical Sciences, course duration 4 years, year 1 trainee, year 2 BA executive. So competitive compensation as per industry standards. So every day 8 hours shift wise working plus 2 hours classes Monday to Friday. Location is Kurkum. Eligibility is 60% with 10 plus 2 science background must. Passing year 2023 and 2024. And you should relocate to Cipla manufacturing site for duration of program and must be 18 years old. Salary trainee is 2.45 lakh per annum. After 1 year confirmation 2.94 lakh per annum. Scan the QR code to apply for the job opportunity. This is a good amount of salary from Cipla, so please utilize the opportunity, guys. Thank you for watching. So even nowadays M-Farm candidates also not getting 2.45, so please utilize this. Thank you.